This is our pet bird, Feliz. Navidad. Say hello to everybody, Feliz. Hi, guy. Look. Look at the camera. He's at least, what, 3 months old, honey?
Mm-hmm. 3 months.
3 months old.
Parakeet. It's a special parakeet that talks. It's called a boogly or something.
Okay.
Strange name. I don't know, but it's supposed to talk. It's a special parakeet, hand raised. Didn't know anything about another bird. 3 months old. Call him Feliz Navidad. He's pretty cute. He has his own little character now, a little fussy.
Mm-hmm.
But he's a softie inside.
Hi, Feliz. Hi. He's on my hand now.
Had his wings clipped, and we are regrowing his wings.
Hey.
Give him that ability to fly if he wants.
He's learning so quickly. He's very smart.
Mm-hmm. Likes affection, likes to always be held. Or,
Yeah, he does.
Or climbing on you or something like that. Likes to groom himself too.
Mm-hmm.
Lots.
Hi. How are you? Want to give me a kiss?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's sweet. Isn't that sweet? Look at that.
Oh,
Isn't that sweet?
thank you. So cute. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Oh, you want another one? He's so adorable, everybody. You check him out. He's so cute. Say hi to the camera. You want to do something funny? Want to get back on my shoulder? Want to go on my shoulder? No? What you want to do? You want to play on my hand? You don't want to get back on my shoulder? Want to play on my hand? You tickle.
She's trying to kiss you and be all affectionate.
Oh, that's what you want, another kiss.
Be all affectionate.